Good morning, gentlemen. How are you? So how is the Josh? Are you ready for the GD? Yes, sir. Okay, now you will be given 1 minute to introduce yourself and the topic as well. And you have to mention that why you want to join Indian Air Force. So we will start with chest number 1. Okay, chest number 1, start.
Hello friends, Jai Hind to all. My name is Sunil Kumar Kalwania and I am from Jaipur, the pink city in the district of Rajasthan. I am 19 years old and I have completed my 12th with 84.4% with PCM subject by Rajasthan board. My father is doing a private job. I have one brother. My hobbies are to play badminton and carom. My strength is my confidence and my communication skills. I want to join Indian Air Force because in my first attempt because it provides us adventurous life and also opportunity to travel across the country, and it is direct service to our motherland. This is all about me. So now our GD topic is global warming. Global warming is a mean that the temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. This is due to the activities of the humans and there are many causes. That's why the global warming is happening. So we will discuss these topics in our coming discussion. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Amit Yadav. I am 19 years old. I am from Mandagadi in Haryana. Mandagadi is famous for its agriculture. I have passed my 12th class from Haryana Board of Education with 95%. Now I am pursuing my graduation. My father's name is Mr. Dharambir and he is a farmer, and my mother's name is Srimati Manju and she is an housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. My strength is that I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. I want to become an airman because this job is full of adventures and I also want to serve my country. Today our GD topic is global warming. Global warming means the increase of temperature of earth due to pollution. It badly affects the human health. The cause of global warming is the harmful gases which are emitted from vehicles and transport. Thank you.
Jai Hind to all. I am Ajay Kumar from Kotputli, Jaipur, pink city and capital of Rajasthan. I am 18 years old. My father is a farmer and my mother is a good housewife. I have completed my 12th with 96% marks and now I am pursuing my graduation. I also have computer certificate in Rajasthan IT sector. My hobbies are to play cricket and to play rugby. My strength is my confidence and my communication skills. I want to join Indian Air Force because this job is full of adventures and it provides us opportunity to travel all over the country, and it is also direct service to the motherland. Now I come to the topic. Today we have a good topic to discuss: global warming. The countries of the world facing a more big problem. One of them is a global warming. During the revolutionary change in industrial areas, the temperature of the earth increased 1 degree or 2 degree Fahrenheit.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rahul and I am living from Jaipur, Rajasthan, which is very famous for tourism. I have 12th pass with 83%. Currently I am studying BSc Part 2nd year from Rajasthan University. My hobbies are playing cricket, sports and study. In my family we are 6 members. My father is a farmer and my mother is a good housewife. I am telling about why would I like to join Indian Air Force. Because touch the sky with glory. This motto in itself a reason enough to join Indian Air Force. Each word in this motto is filled with inspiration and honor. This is all about myself. Today's our GD topic: global warming. What is the global warming? Global warming means the temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. The many of example increasing global warming. One of greenhouse is reduce the some gases, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide and methane. The gases always increasing temperature of the earth.
Hello friends, Jai Hind to all. My name is Rahul Nitharwa. I am from Sikar, which is famous for the temple for Khatu Shyamji. My father's name is Rajendra Kumar Nitharwa. He is a farmer. I have completed my 12th class in 2018. Now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobby is play cricket. My strength is that I have positive attitude and passionate and dedicated to my work and never give up many difficult situations. I want to join Indian Air Force because there are many opportunities for survive the nation. Today our GD topic global warming. Global warming means temperature of earth is increasing day by day. Greenhouse gas affected.
Hello friends, Jain to all. My name is Krishan Chaudhary. I'm from Badmer, which is famous for Kirado Mandir. My father is a farmer, my mother is a housemaker. I have completed my 12th class with 81% in 2019. Now I'm pursuing in BSc second year in mathematics. My hobbies are playing chess and exploring things. I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation and I have positive attitude and friendly nature. My ambition is to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation and I want to touch sky with glory. That's all about me. Now we are discussing about a topic, global warming. Global warming is a burden problem of our world that is increasing day by day. Global warming has many reasons like pollution, population and deforestation. Because of global warming, our temperature of earth increasing day by day.
Hello friends, Jain to all. My name is Gunwant. I am from Pratapgarh district, Rajasthan, and it is famous for Thewa art and flying prestiges. My academic qualification, I have done my 12th and I currently pursuing BA first year. I belong to middle class family. My father is a farmer. My mother, she is a homemaker, and I have one brother only. I am amiable and responsible. That is my strength, and my hobby is to play basketball and do some light exercise. Now I want to join Indian Air Force because it direct service to the nation. Now we come to the topic. Today's GD topic is global warming. Global warming is causes due to the greenhouse effect gases like CO2, methane, that's and many gases like neon, freon. They crack a hole on ozone layer and the many radiation also bad effect on our skin cancer. And globalization increasing the temperature day by day of our earth and damage our deforestation and by increasing the.
Hello friends, good morning. I am Anush Tyagi. I am from Dholpur, Rajasthan, which is famous for Teerthraj Machkon and also the smallest district of Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th in year 2021 and now I am pursuing my graduation in BSc. My hobby is playing cricket and volleyball. My strength is I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. My aim is to join Indian Air Force because it is an adventure job. It provides opportunity to travel all over the country and it provides direct service to the nation. Today's our GD topic is global warming. Global warming is one of the environmental threats of the world. Global warming means the temperature of our world increasing day by day without bit changing with environment. The main cause of the global warming is the greenhouse effect.
Hello friends, my name is Kan Singh. I am 18-year-old. I am from Nagaur, which is famous for methi and fair of bulls. I passed 12th with 74% from Sekauti Senior Secondary School, Losal Sikar. Nowadays, I am doing BSc with defense examination. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. And my hobby is listening music and my nature is friendly. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream. It is give me adventure life and serve the nation with glory. Today the GD topic is global warming. We know that global warming is a very big problem all over the world. Global warming in temperature highly and increasing day by day. And global warming is very most reason is greenhouse gases.
Good morning all of you. My name is Navartan Singh. My father's name is Dungar Singh. We are 4 siblings. I belong to a small village of Nagaur district in Rajasthan. Nagaur is famous for fair of bulls. In my academic qualification, I have passed my 12th class in 2019 with 83% marks and now I am pursuing in my graduation. My hobbies are playing volleyball and do some light exercises. My strength is I am punctual and dedicated to my work. The ambition of my life is become an airman to serve the nation with pride. Today our GD topic is global warming. Global warming means the temperature of earth increasing day by day. Global warming is harmful for us because it causes many health issues in our daily life. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning friends, my name is Mohit. I am from Mahendragarh in Haryana, which is famous for historical places and religious sites. I have passed class 12th from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing in graduations. My hobby is to playing cricket and I want to join Indian Air Force because it is full of adventures and direct serve to our motherland. Today our GD topic is global warming. Global warming means increasing the temperature of the earth due to the presence of excess CO2 and other reason is greenhouse gases which trap the heat energy from the sun. And there are many other reason of global warming like deforestation, burning excess fossil fuels and industrial gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and CFC and methane, and it has a bad effect on our health. Due to this it effect on our health.
Jai Hind to all. My name is Abhishek. I am from Karoli, which place is famous for Kaila Devi temples. My father is a farmer and my mother is a good wife. My mother is a housewife. And I passed my 12th class in 2020. Now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobby is to play cricket and my strength is that I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. My dream is to join Indian Air Force because there are many opportunities to serve the nation. Today our GD topic is about global warming. The mean of global warming is that increase the temperature of earth day by day. It polluted our environment. There are many causes of global warming as greenhouse effect, depletion of ozone layer and growth of science and technology and deforestation. Trees are balanced the.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now you are given 30 seconds to brush up your topic and then you will start the topic. Okay? So yes gentlemen, are you ready now? Yes sir. So let's start? Yes sir. Okay, wait. Once I say start, then you have to start the topic. Okay?
Yes sir.
Start.
Problem of our world that is increasing day by day. The main causes behind the global warming is population, pollution and deforestation. As we know that many greenhouse gases are also affecting our environment like CO2, methane, CFC, and that's it.
I agree with my friend. Global warming causes due to deforestation because we increasing day by day deforestation and cutting the trees. Cutting tree the increasing the CO2 level also because our tree is absorb CO2 and getting our oxygen more and more. So we cut the tree. We can say that we save our tree and decreasing the deforestation, and so the global warming also decreases.
And because of that, now global warming become the most dangerous environment threat of the world. Global warming is caused because of greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect means due to the pollution of the world, many gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, they trap the heat which is coming from the sun rays on not going outward our environment. So this increase the temperature of the world and this causes global warming.
I agree with that. Many gases are increasing the temperature of the earth like that. As we know, our populations, we need more science and technology. By using this science and technology, we have to use the natural resources and fossil fuels to get electricity. So by using this more electricity, we are getting the temperature as high of the earth. So this is also a reason of greenhouse effect.
As we know that greenhouse gases also affecting our ozone layers. Ozone layer is the important layer of our environment that's absorb UV rays that's come